Dear friends, welcome back to KNS Biochemistry channel. Namaskar. Coming to this session, I am going to talk about one of the area of bioinformatics. That is, it is a bioinformatic tool used for molecular interaction, that is protein to protein or protein to ligand interaction, and it is a very important bioinformatic tools used for analyzing the docking of a molecule. So the topic what I am going to talk in this session is molecular docking or docking program. Come and watch the session now.
So what is this molecular docking? So molecular docking is a powerful approach. It is actually a powerful bioinformatic approach or computer based approach for structure based drug discovery. That is, you have two types of approaches in drug discovery. Already we have seen. One is ligand based, then target based or structure based drug discovery. So this molecular docking is best for, powerful for structure based discovery, drug discovery. So what is this docking or molecular docking? So docking is, it's a prediction of the optimal physical configuration and energy between the two molecules. The energy consumption between the two molecules and how they look like, the physical configuration. So all these things are predicted through a software that is called molecular docking software. So the docking problem optimizes. What are all the problems you are going to optimize in docking? Binding between two molecules such that their orientation maximizes the interaction. Then next one, other optimizing problems, evaluates the total energy of interaction such that for the best binding configuration, the binding energy is the minimum. The binding energy between the two molecules is the minimum. Then the resultant structural changes brought about by the interaction. That is, when the two molecules are interacting, there will be some conformational change or structural change happens during that interaction, and that interaction is also studied here. It is also studied here. So in molecular docking is done very well. What is this docking? Docking is an automated computer So it is computer algorithm that attempts to find the best matching between the two molecules, which is a computational determination of binding affinity between molecules. This includes determining the orientation of the compound, its conformational geometry, and the scoring. The scoring may be a binding energy, free energy, or a qualitative numerical measure. So in some way, every docking algorithm automatically tries to put the compound in many different orientations and conformations in the active site, and then computes a score for each. So it will be assuming the structure of any compound in different orientations. The next, some in bioinformatics programs store the data for all of the tested orientations, but most only keep a number of those with the best scores. So in molecular docking, that best score is very, very important for getting a better result. So molecular docking can be done using bioinformatics tools which are able to search a database containing molecular structures and retrieve the molecules that can interact with the query structure, the query sequence. Okay, it also aids in the building up chemical and biological information databases about ligands and targets. The targets may be proteins to identify and optimize novel drugs. It is involved in devising in silico filters to calculate drug likeliness or pharmacokinetic. So in molecular docking approach, the approach can be used to model the interaction between a small molecule and a protein at the atomic level, which allow us to characterize the behavior of small molecules in the binding site of target proteins, as well as to elucidate fundamental biochemical processes. So this docking process, your docking program, involves two basic steps. Two steps are there in docking program. First one, prediction of the ligand conformation as well as its position and orientation within these sites. It is called pose, position of the ligand. And second one, assessment of the binding affinity between the two molecules. These two steps are related to sampling methods and scoring schemes respectively. So knowing the look, in many cases the binding site is indeed known before docking ligands into it. Also, one can obtain information about the sites by comparison of the target protein with a family of proteins sharing a similar function, or with proteins co-crystallized with other ligands. Proteins co-crystallized with other ligands. In absence of knowledge about the binding sites, the binding site between the two molecules, cavity detection programs or online servers, for example, online softwares like GRID, G-R-I-D, GRID, Pocket, SurfNet, PAS and MMC can be utilized to identify putative active sites within proteins. So this is done in docking program. These are all the online programs used to identify the active site interaction of two molecules. So the theory behind molecular docking, theory of docking. The aim of molecular docking is to give a prediction of the ligand, the receptor complex structure, the ligand receptor complex, the formation of the ligand receptor complex structure using computation methods. So docking can be achieved through two interrelated steps. First step, by sampling conformations of the ligand in the active site of the protein. Then second step, ranking these conformations via a scoring function. Ideally, sampling algorithms should be able to reproduce the experimental binding mode, and the scoring function should also rank its highest among all. So first one is you are going to confirm sampling confirmation of ligand. Second one, ranking those confirmation of the ligand. The categories of molecular docking. What way is it that molecular docking can be categorized? Two categories are there. First one, protein-protein docking. That is the docking, molecular docking done between the two proteins. That is called protein-protein docking. So here both the molecules are rigid molecules, protein molecules. There is no flexibility in the protein molecule. They are rigid. Interaction produces, the interaction between these proteins, rigid proteins, produces no change in conformation because the molecules are rigid, so the conformational change will not happen. Similar to lock and key model. So in enzymology, that is, we have seen that lock and key model, a lock fits a key. Both are rigid in nature. So this first category of molecular docking is like lock and key model. The ligand is flexible. That second type is protein ligand docking. In this, ligand is flexible, but the receptor protein, is ligand is flexible, but the receptor protein is rigid. So one molecule is a flexible one, that ligand is flexible, but the receptor is not flexible, it is rigid. So now the interaction produces conformational change in the ligand only, not on the receptor. So this is second type of category of molecular docking. here you can see that molecular docking, how molecular docking, how it is done. So search algorithm, for that you can take systematic searching, molecular dynamics, local shape feature matching, genetic algorithm. Or scoring function, if you go by scoring function, through scoring function for molecular docking, then you got to measure force field between the molecules, empirical formula of the molecules, knowledge based analysis. So both the way you can go, but finally you come for assessment, that what is the molecular docking assessment. So two methods, two approach you are going, but finally you will be coming with molecular docking assessment. Then how to prepare a docking preparation, molecular docking preparation with ligand. So here you can assign charges for the ligand, define rotatable bonds, rename aromatic carbons, merge non-polar hydrogens, write .pd BQ ligand file, and in that way you can prepare the docking for ligand. Then this is the molecular modeling of a protein, 3D visualization of interactions between compounds and proteins, docking compounds into proteins computationally. And here you can see docking compounds into proteins computationally. So here you have a protein, the violet color one is the protein, this is the protein, and this portion of the protein is actually the binding site of this protein for a molecule. Here this is a ligand, so this is a compound. So this ligand compound binds with this.
Friends, in this session we have seen about docking program, where you see that ligand based and structural based docking programs are available. So we have seen about the docking program tools and how to do that. Hope you have understood the area. I'll be coming back with the next session. Until then, it is bye from KNS Biochemistry. Thank you very much. Namaskar.